Let's talk about Mary. Mary is a real estate broker. She's been married for 15 years and has 2 kids. Her husband used to be a real estate agent, but was in a car accident a few years back and is disabled. And as a result, has also developed some emotional and mental health stuff and has become kind of verbally abusive, and things are not going well in their marriage. So Mary owns her own business. She doesn't have a lot of retirement. Most of her money and assets are tied up in a very expensive, nice house that they have that's not yet paid for, but has a lot of equity in it. About $700,000 of equity in the house, but it's not totally paid off. And also a rental property that has about $300,000 of equity in it and is paid off. So, and then there are some other accounts and there's some debt, but not a ton of debt in this situation. And the husband is getting a check every month for disability, and she's working and running her brokerage, but it's growing and she's doing better and better. And their marriage has fallen apart. And now that she's kind of emotionally over that, she's super focused on her business. So her big concern is that she does not want to have to pay him alimony. She wants to be able to grow her business without the risk of having to pay him alimony in the future. And she also really wants to keep her house. What he wants is to keep his house debt-free. So is that a good deal? Should she do that? In my opinion, yes, she should. Because the way that it worked out is if she gives him this house and he walks away from alimony and she keeps the other property, and the little bit of money that is still owed on the house they've been living in, she agrees to pay that off and just pay the mortgage on a monthly basis, then that can constitute her alimony. She's done with that. He'll never get it anymore. She can move on and grow her business and do the things that she wants to do without that risk. And she cuts ties with him and moves on. So again, cheaper to ditch him in this situation because every single mortgage payment she's making, he's getting half the equity. Every single paycheck, he's entitled to half. Cut your losses. Move on with your business.